So I'm Daniel Charlton. I'm a digital service engineer at Fujifilm Healthcare UK, and today we're taking an Xair up Mount Snowdon. So it should be pretty challenging. The route's pretty tough, but I'm pretty sure we got it.
Hi, I'm Bradley. I'm a workshop engineer and we are going up Snowdon. We've been walking now for about an hour and the weather's a little bit cloudy, but it's actually good weather for a hike.
Hi, I'm Jay Pearson, field service engineer at Fujifilm Healthcare. We're about halfway up Mount Snowdon and we've got to get up there.
Hi, Declan McGregor, National Service Delivery Manager for Fujifilm Healthcare. We're here at the top of Mount Snowdon. It took us about 3 hours to get from base all the way to the top. We brought our wonderful Xair, really demonstrating the capability of the equipment that we've got. We are sending images from the top of Snowdon all the way back to base, really demonstrating the capabilities that we've got with the partnerships such as Rosenfield within the industry.